Hello my scrappy friends, it's Helen and I'm here with the third layout for the Kitaholic Kits for the month of June. I started with the mixed media kit, this pink spray from the mixed media kit. It was very pink, so I decided to lighten it with some gesso. In hindsight, I probably should have lightened it a little bit more because in the end it still is quite a hot pink. But never mind, it's a bit of a different background and it makes a bit of a statement. I love these florals and I love the colours of these pinks and the tealy greens all mixed together, so I decided to fussy cut a lot of them out. Thankfully, I save you from having to watch me cut too many of these flowers out, but I took a selection of the pinks and the greens, set them aside and then decided, after a long look through my photos, on using this photo of myself taken a few years ago. And I thought, yep, pink, that looks great. And then I turned it over and saw the butterflies and went, oh, that's right, I was going to fussy cut all those butterflies out on a layout. Not anymore. But before I do stick it down, I quickly decide just to cut a few out. Don't you love that? So I've got them there for the next layout. Just a double matte with this last soft mint colour. And then my photo's ready to go. Here you can see all the flowers I did fussy cut out, ready to be positioned on. I had to trim down that piece of white cardstock so it fitted inside, and I have a nice mat of the pink around it. And using my double-sided tape method just allows me to position it carefully in case I don't get it on straight. Luckily I did, and it's ready to go. And because I am a little bit fussy, I did pull out my T-square ruler so I can straighten the photo and get it centered. And you may have noticed then that the tape ran out in the ATG gun. So annoying when that happens. But after refilling it, I'm back to be sticking down all my flowers. I layered them or positioned them first before I decided to stick them down so that I had some idea where they were going. And I'm just continuing on that diagonal line you may have saw that I created earlier when I splattered some of the gesso and the pink around. Right down to some little fiddly little tiny flowers that I cut out from that pattern paper as well. That was after I had to find them because they fell on the floor and it's such a mess in here. It took me a while to find them. And then I decided to cut out some of the butterflies, just a couple, to add into that arrangement of flowers. The daisy found its home at the bottom left-hand corner. And then I opened up the chipboard or the Kaiser chipboard packet there, and there was one word grateful, and I thought, yep, that's how I'm feeling. And hello, I have a problem adding the beautiful and amazing to my layouts. Not a problem if it's about somebody else, just to my own normally. And then I was fiddling around trying to get those tiny hearts out. A bit tricky with my big fingers, but I got them out, stuck them down. And then I pulled out the sparkly word stickers, and there was the word dream, and on the other side glitter. So I took the ER off the glitter to make dreamer, because at this time when this photo was taken, I was pretty much a dreamer. You can see I decided that down that bottom corner was a spot for them, but after I'd stuck them all down, I kind of had that caught white space, or captured enclosed white space, and I didn't like it, so I repositioned them under the photo. And then I went through the die cut pack off screen, pulled out these two birds to stick down, and some puffy stickers. Oh, and a little strawberry too. And then in the main kit there is a packet of exclusive die cuts, and in it was a little banner that I thought, yeah, that fits perfectly under Dreamer, almost like I had planned it all out. Plus there was another butterfly in there that found its way onto the layout. And then I added a few of the little glittery stars because with just the title it needed a few more glittery bits to tie it all together. And then some journaling, and that's it. A quick video, a quick layout, but quite a pink one for me. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, don't forget to pop on over to Kitaholic Kits. Take care. See you later.